The Revenue and Disaster Management Department has instructed all the Deputy Commissioners in the state to expedite the assessment of the damages which were caused by the recent rainfalls that severely affected several parts of the state, particularly in the Garo Hills. Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Kyrmen Shylla told media persons that the assessment has slowed down in view of the Gambagre by-elections, and once the election process is over, the assessment will be done.
All the details with me, but we have directed from the department to all the deputy commissioner to kindly give us the assessment. So due to this preparation for the election in Garo Hills, so we have not received all the assessment yet. So we are waiting after the election, and hopefully they can provide us, and so that we can proceed ahead with the formalities what needs to be done. If the assessment is high, so we might need the assistance from the central, how it had been happened previously. So if the amount is not high enough, so it might be enough from the budget which has been allotted to us.
The National Institute of Technology Meghalaya, in collaboration